What's up? We're gonna be trying out Mark Wahlberg's Wahlburgers.
We're gonna take these out of the packaging first.
All right, let's get these coated with some olive oil. Just drizzle a little bit all over it so it doesn't stick to the grill over there.
Then we're gonna hit it with some black truffle salt. Sprinkle it a little generously on all sides of the burger or the patties. Then once that grill's out, we're gonna be cooking them for about 3 minutes each side or until medium rare. Place that American cheese on it and let it melt. That one completely missed the patty. Take them off the grill once they're cooked to your desire. Then we're gonna toast our buns. Check that out. Put our burger together. Just using ketchup since I really wanted to taste what the Wahlburger is all about. And my overall review of it was pretty good. Honestly, just like an average tasting burger to me, but I mean, it did the job. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10.